So hello guys, I'm Engineer JM. So ngayon, magsasolve tayo ng isang past board exam problem which is lumabas noong March 2026. So ito yung batch namin nung kami yung nag-take. So siguro umpisahan na natin. Samuel is fabricating a chute to convey concrete to a foundation work. If the supports are 5 meters apart and the slide is 20 meters long, how tall in meters is the first support as shown in the figure? So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na sa board exam, ah, pag nagbaon ka ng algebra, trigo, geometry, yung mga fundamental subjects na kailangan natin para sa mga higher subjects. So, ito, under trigonometry siya. So, kayang-kaya mo nang masagutan agad ito using trigo only. So, yun. Siguro yun yung isa sa kumbaga kailangan nating i-polish kumbaga. So, under ito ng trigo. So, sige, sagutan natin. Ah, meron daw siyang si Samuel daw ay magpa-fabricate para sa foundation work. So, yung kung ang support daw ay 5 meters apart. So, given naman yan yung drawing sa exam. Pero hindi yan yung mismong drawing pero ano ko na lang, dinrawing ko na lang sa sarili ko. 5 meters apart daw yung ating support. 5 meters apart. Tapos yung slide, ito yung slide is 20 meters long. Ang tanong, how tall in meters is the first support as shown in the figure? So, ito yung hinahanap. So, let's say, sabihin na natin, ano yan, sabihin na natin si X. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? So, kung nakikita natin, pwede tayong gumamit ng Pythagorean theorem. So, ano ba yung Pythagorean theorem? Di ba yung c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So, lagay natin. So, sabihin na natin ito yung a dahil yan yung pinakamaikli. And then ito yung b and then ito yung c. So, plug in lang natin yung ating given sa ating equation. So, c is 20. 20 squared is equal to ang a natin is nawawala plus ang ating b is 15 squared. So, simplify. 400 is equal to a squared plus ilan tong 15 squared? 225. So, ayun. Transpose na lang natin. 400 minus 225 is equal to a squared. So, this is 175 is equal to a squared. So, para makuha natin yung value ng a, square root lang natin ito. So, cancel dyan yung square. So, ang value ng ating a ay square root ng 175 is 13.22 meters. So, yan yung value ng a. So, may value na tayo ng a. Next, para makuha natin ang taas ng ating first support na si x, kung paano mo i-solve. So, kung makikita natin, pwede tayong gumamit ng ratio and proportion. So, this is to this, and then this is to this. So, yun. Similar triangles, guys. So, x is to 5 is equal to a is to, no. May value na tayo ng a. A is to 15. So, ang a natin is 13.22. So, cross multiply lang natin yan. 13.22 times 5 is equal to 15x. So, ano ba yung 13.22 times 5? So, 66.1 equal to 15x. So, para makuha natin si x, divide lang natin yan ng 15 both sides. So, cancel. So, ang x natin is 66.1 divide 15. Ang x natin ay 4.40 meters. So, ibig sabihin, yung height ng ating first support ay eto, 4.40 meters. So, yun guys, sana may natutunan kayo at patakid natin ang trigo.